I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your PayPal account has been suspended, don't worry, there are steps you can take to recover your funds. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any communication from PayPal regarding the suspension. They usually send an email explaining the reason for the suspension and what steps you need to take. Step 2. Log into your PayPal account. Try to log into your PayPal account. You may find additional information or prompts that can guide you through the recovery process. Step 3. Follow the instructions. If PayPal provides specific instructions in the email or on your account page, follow them carefully. This may include verifying your identity or providing additional documentation. Step 4. Contact PayPal support. If you don't receive a clear resolution, reach out to PayPal's customer support. Be prepared to provide your account details and any relevant information regarding the suspension. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After you've submitted any required information, wait for PayPal to review your case. They will notify you via email once your account status has been updated. Remember, patience is key during this process. Good luck, and I hope you get your funds back soon.